goldenrods.com. I want to talk about Flux-core MIG wire for heavy equipment. We have a product called our number 32 Flux-core MIG wire for heavy equipment. Very strong product, will take the abuse if you've got buckets that you're working on, milling equipment, grinding equipment, where it takes a lot of abuse. You want to get a box of the 32 Flux-core from goldenrods.com. This product is very easy to use. It's very smooth. You won't get any porosity in the welds. You can go out of position with it. The slag will come right off with no problem. You just touch the side of the weld, it'll fall right off. Excellent product for high abuse areas where there's a lot of vibration, a lot of cracking problems. Get a box of 32 Flux-core, you won't be disappointed. You're going to use the 75-25 gas. A lot of people get confused when I say Flux-core. They think that it's no gas. Well, that's incorrect. When you buy Flux-core product, you're going to use a 75-25 mix of argon CO2, or you can use 100% CO2 with this here. You cannot use the product without gas. You need the gas with it. Okay? So get yourself a bottle of gas, get a roll of 32 Flux-core for any problem welds, frames, buckets, like I said before, grinding, milling equipment, where you're having problems with cracking. This product is excellent. It'll go on easy. It'll save you from doing it again, from welding that up again. This is a very good product. I'm going to show you how it works right now. Now, after you've seen that weld, it's very smooth, very easy to weld with. I want to show you the weld here, and you just touch the slag, and you can see that it's just a solid, clean looking weld, very strong, no porosity. This is excellent on heavy equipment, any problem welds, general purpose, 118 thousandths on the tensile strength, but it'll take all the abuse. Get a roll today of Super 32 Flux-core MIG wire. We carried in 035, 045, and 1/16, always in stock.